Hi. In this lecture, just discuss a small topic and very important topic. Nothing but what is the differences between bookkeeping and accounting. So, generally we discussed what is meant by bookkeeping and what is meant by accounting. Already we discussed. So, coming to here, just we discuss the differences between them. And previously, and in the olden days, accounting stands for what bookkeeping. And then later on, because of the globalization, and some more stages are added to the accounting and for reaching the users of the financial statements in a simplified format. Okay. So bookkeeping versus an accounting. Bookkeeping is nothing but what it is. So it is concerned with recording of a transaction. As we said, bookkeeper just record the transactions and events in a systematic manner. So it covers only recording and means journal, ledger, preparation of trial balance. But coming to the accounting, there are 6 stages are there if you remember. 6 stages are there. It is concerned with recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting the transactions and events, and communicating those results to the users of the financial statements. Okay. Second one, financial statements are not forming part of bookkeeping because in case of the bookkeeping, what we said, it covers recording, means journal, ledger, and preparation of trial balance. That's all. But financial statements are prepared subsequent to the preparation of the trial balance. But bookkeeping ends with what preparation of trial balance. That's why financial statements are not forming part of bookkeeping. But financial statements are for prepared as a part of accounting. Financial statements are forming part of accounting. Okay. And third one, managerial decisions are not taken with the help of these records provided by bookkeeper because the bookkeeper just provide a raw data which is not useful for taking the decision. But for taking the managerial decisions, we require what information? The processed data is required. The processed data is nothing but what preparation of the financial statement. That financial statements are forming part of the account. That's why managerial decisions are also taken as per the records provided by the account. So managerial decisions are taken with the help of these records. And bookkeeping ends with preparation of the trial balance, as we discussed. But accounting ends with for preparation of the financial statements and communicating those results to the users of the financial statement. And bookkeeping provides a base for accounting. Bookkeeping provides base for accounting. Means what? The trial balance is the base for preparation of the financial statement. That's why we said bookkeeping is considered as a base for accounting. But remember, accounting is not a base for bookkeeping. Accounting is treated as a language of the business. It is treated as a language of the business. And there is no subfields in case of bookkeeping. There is no branches in case of bookkeeping. But remember, in case of accounting, there are 5 branches are there. In case of an accounting, 5 branches are there. One is financial accounting, another one is cost accounting, third one is management accounting, and fourth one is social responsibility accounting, human resource accounting. So, financial accounting stands for our topic, and it means identification of the transactions and events, measuring the transactions and events in terms of money, recording the transactions and events in a journal, classifying them in ledger, preparation of trial balance, and preparation of financial statements, analysis, interpretation, and these are all forming part of what financial accounting. So there, in case of financial accounting, what are their main objective? To ascertain financial results and the financial position of the respected entity by preparing the financial statements. And second one is cost accounting. In case of cost accounting, what they do? For example, if you are a manufacturer, so manufacturer of the table. For manufacturing of the table, you have to purchase the raw material like wood, if any iron required iron, sandpaper, and colors and nuts and bolts, grease, etc. And after purchasing those all, you do some process like cutting of the wood in a proper shape and assembling them as per the process by using the nuts and bolts. And after that, for smoothing purpose, we use the sandpaper. And after that, if you want, then use the sunglasses if any. And if any paint required, the paint will be applied. And finally, we get what? Furniture. And for getting that furniture, how much amount you spend? So, what is the amount you spend for getting the one furniture, for getting the respected furniture? So, that is ascertained by in case of what? Cost accounting. Cost accounting is purely used in case of manufacturing entities. Purely used in case of manufacturing entity to ascertain cost incurred for a particular product and how to fix the sale price of the respected product. For ascertaining the cost price and for fixing the sale price, which accounting is used? Cost accounting. And the third one is management accounting. And we prepare the financial statements and provide it to the management of the respected entity. Then management will observe the total expenses and incomes we have. And their objective is how to improve the profits in future. For improving the profits, they can do only two things. One is either they reduce the cost or increase the sales. And what are the actions to be taken for reducing that cost or for increasing that sales? And those are all forming part of management accounting. As a part of that, they will prepare MIS reports or management reports, management information system reports, etc. And for management accounting, the total data is provided by cost accounting and financial accounting. Cost accounting and financial accounting. And if any ideal resources are there, then those will be removed and those will be erased or disposed by the management. And these all are done by using what? Management accounting. Social responsibility accounting, generally every entity is having some social responsibility towards the society. And even in case of Companies Act 2013, we have to maintain some CSR fund also. And out of that, how much amount we spend towards the social responsibility, what are the benefits we get? And the related recording is covered under social responsibility accounting. Okay. So social responsibility costs and social responsibility benefits are recorded there. Human resource accounting. In case of human resource accounting, for example, we are recruiting an employee and we agreed to pay salary of rupee 1 lakh per month or 12 lakh per annum. Is it viable to the organization or not? So, if you agree to pay 1 lakh or 2 lakh salary to that party, how much benefits we are going to get by utilizing the respected employer? And those will be calculated and will be compared. And those are all done as a part of your human resource accounting. Okay. And in case of foundation stage, you are having financial accounting only, and the remaining you are having you have these all topics in CA Intro or CA Final or CMA Intro, CMA Final, etc. Okay, and these five are treated as branches or subfields of an accounting. There are five branches: are there. Financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, social responsibility accounting, human resource accounting. Okay. So these are the differences between bookkeeping and accounting. Okay. I hope you guys understood and a very, very important topic and a simple topic and a easy topic. Okay. Thank you.